Number 43. Find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the region bounded by y equals f of x, the x-axis, the line x equals 4, and the line x equals 24 about the line y equals g of x. Okay, these are actually the same curves as the previous problem, as number 42, and so I just have them written out right here. And the way we're going to do this, we're going to use something called the washer method. And you'll see why right now. Okay, so basically what you can do is take each point on your curve and then think about what happens whenever you rotate it. It's going to form something like a washer. So the region we're worried about, first of all, let's worry about this first. The region that we're being asked about is it's bounded by the curve, the x-axis, x equals 4 and x equals 24. So something like this. And for each point here, so I'm going to take this point for instance. If we rotate it around y equals g of x, we are going to get something that looks a little bit like a washer. I'm doing my best 3D representation here. So that's the inside circle, but you also have to remember that there's this region that we're rotating that isn't actually included in the shaded area. And that starts right here. So this is where you get the washer from, because you're actually subtracting this area or this volume in the middle. So for the area of one washer, you can just think about it as taking a big circle and subtracting out the little circle. So the area will be pi times your large radius minus pi times your small radius. Well, your large radius, if you think about it, will just be the distance from f of x to your axis. So it's just the distance from square root of x plus 2 to negative 4. And that'll just be square root of x plus 6. So that's pi. So that's the area of the big circle. Now for the small circle, it's just the radius is going to just be from the x-axis to the axis. So from the x-axis to y equals negative 4, that's just a radius of 4. And so all of those areas will all be 16 pi. Now, we just have to integrate. So we know what equation we're using, and so now we just integrate from 4 to 24 of this equation. I'm actually going to factor out a pi. So it'll be square root of x plus 6 squared minus 16, and then we're integrating with respect to x. So let me just get out my calculator, and we can do this. So to get to your integral, you can do shift plus. Don't forget to multiply by pi. And then it's from 4 to 24 of square root of x plus 6 all squared minus 16. And then it's all with respect to x. And let's see what this gives us. So 4,890. And let's hope that's an answer choice. Looks like it is. Looks like that's answer choice A. Alright, so if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment and I'll make a video with a solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. This has been Investigative Math, and I will see you next time.